fancy, oh. I've been running from poverty, yeah. Now you want to make me suffer. God forbid. I need him.
Gladys, I was calling you. Why are you doing this to me? What have I done? Are you not happy to see me?
Excuse me? What is so special about you? Why should I be happy seeing you?
Gladys, why are you doing this to me? I haven't done anything wrong to you.
Oh, please, shut up.
Gladys!
Excuse me. Get out!
Alice, why is your sister treating me like this?
You already know why. I told you already, she's moved on. She's with that guy you saw her with the other day.
So she's moved on. She's with the guy because he owns a car and I don't. Right?
I'm sorry. Gladys. What is wrong with you? Do you even think that he loves to be treated that way? What is wrong with you?
Really?
Fred is everything a man should be to a woman.
Tell that to the birds.
His only crime is that he doesn't have enough to lavish on you. Come on.
Alice, why are you justifying wrong attitudes? Fred is being stingy, that's it. Why my own Collins is very, very generous to a fault. Why is it so difficult for him to understand? Is it so daft to understand that I've moved on? Okay, fine. Do me this favor. Advise him to move on because I've done the same. I don't need him.
Why are you being superficial, for God's sake? Listen, Collins might be your answer for now, but trust me, that guy has a bright future. He is your tomorrow. Think about it. Don't you even have sense? What's wrong with you?
Have you not heard that patient dog no longer have any bone to eat? They died these days of starvation. Why waiting for unrealistic tomorrow?
But before you met both of them, you were living. What is wrong with you?
No, what is wrong with you? Please leave me alone. This is my life. You will not tell me what to do with mine. You can do whatever you like with yours. Excuse me. You're so stingy and you should go and make money.
Gladys. Gladys, but it's still not enough. Good morning, oh.
Good morning.
Ogumba Hall.
Ogumba was 700.
Oga. Don't worry, I'll give you 500.
You know say fuel don't cost 700.
I beg, I know say fuel don't cost. Oga, carry me 500, I beg. I dey hurry.
You know they go calm down.
I don't even have time for this nonsense now. What kind of useless man are you now? Can't you not see that my clothes is torn?
Hello.
How do I meet up with disappointment?
Everything okay? What happened?
Papa, good day, but everything is not fine. It's not this useless keke man.
I was watching from a distance. I hope he didn't hurt you.
No, but my dress is torn.
Oh, sorry. You can cover yourself with this.
Thank you.
So where are you going now?
I have to go back home and change because I have a very important appointment to catch up with.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me help you cross the road. Let's go.
Thank you.
Sorry, yo.
What are you doing here? Fred, what is the color of your problem? Don't you know how to leave me alone? You don't know how to move on? Get out. Leave. Leave my father's compound.
I'm not here for you. I escorted your sister down here. She suffered a wardrobe malfunction, so...
Oh my God, thank you so much for saving my day. Yeah, thank you for the jacket.
Welcome.
I'll just go my way now.
Good luck with your appointment.
Oh, I see. You two are just two stupid prophet man.
What is wrong
Losers.
with you? What is wrong with you? Why would you say such a thing?
Oh, please shut up. Cut the pretense. I know you. I know you're tired.
You are insane, Gladys. You're very lucky that I'm brushing. I would have lashed out on you today.
Oh, really? You think I'm scared of you? Bring it on, girl. Bring it on. I'll give it to you. Hot, hot. Stupid thing. You can't even look for someone else. Must it be my ex? Huh?
Sincerely, I really don't know what I would have done if you had not encouraged me the other day. I would have just forfeited the appointment, but Thanks to your encouragement and you wishing me good luck, I got what I wanted. And by the grace of God, everything worked out fine.
I mean, I did nothing, honestly. I feel like your brilliance won. I just offered a helping hand, that's all.
Truthfully, you're a really nice guy. And you don't deserve what my sister is doing to you. If I have my way, I never mind.
No, tell me, what is it?
No, it's fine.
Should I say something to you?
What?
You might be of help.
Me? How can I help you?
Give me a chance.
Hmm?
I promise to appreciate it.
Give you a... Are you trying to switch? Are you actually asking me to date you?
Your sister moved on with someone else and I see them together, so...
Gladys,
Oh, what?
Is that you? I can see you're going out.
Of course, I'm going out to see my Collins, my baby. He just got back from a business trip.
Nice. But I want to talk to you about something.
Go ahead. Spill.
The thing is, the truth is, actually, Fred and I,
Stop stuttering. You and Fred are together? You two are seeing each other. Isn't that what you want to talk to me about?
Yes, I like him because he's honest.
Okay, listen, Alice. I am not going to stop you from seeing him. Okay? But know that that guy is from a very poor family. She always have that in mind.
Gladys, what are you getting at?
What I'm saying is this. Take a good look at yourself. All of this beauty, don't you think it's best to use it to attract a very rich, cute guy? A loaded guy. And not that broke Frederick.
Come on.
He's no match.
You don't have to call him broke.
Oh.
He's just starting out in life. I believe with determination and perseverance, he will make it someday.
That's a layman's ideology.
You think so?
I know so. Let me ask you this, my darling sister. Have you ever sat back to think about your future with this guy? Your life and everything? Let me tell you, this guy cannot take care of you. What if you get pregnant for him? What happens? Is he going to take care of you and the baby? You know the answer. It's no. Excuse me.
No one's even talking about pregnancy. I'm just starting out.
So I'm passing out tomorrow.
Yes, I remember you told me last week.
Yeah, we're having our POP here.
Congrats.
Thank you. And I've been asked to stay back at my workplace.
You were retained?
Yes.
Oh my God, congratulations.
Thank you.
It simply means you'll not be leaving us anytime soon. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. They also promised to give me a good salary at the end of the year.
I knew it. Over time, you just keep climbing. Congrats.
You're welcome. Thank you. You don't want to eat?
No, I'm okay. Hope you're enjoying the meal.
Yes, it's nice.
There you go.
Yeah.
My strawberry sugar pie.
Babe, you know today was fun.
Come on, I'll do anything for you.
I
You know
know.
that.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Mr. Idea and his Mrs. Idea. You know, you two fit each other, this whole nonsense. Huh?
Don't worry about that. Hmm?
Yeah, I'm so happy I found you. I love you so much, baby.
I'm ready to spoil you.
I know.
Yeah. Sorry, my bad. Get it.
Oh. Here we go.
Yeah.
You know what money cannot do?
Does not exist.
You know, the only thing better than money is more
More
money.
money. Come on.
More money.
360, baby. Come on, come here.
I love you,
Come
babe.
on.
I love
Anything
you.
for you.
Thanks for spending so much money on me.
Come on, you deserve it.
I know.
You deserve everything.
I know.
Mm.
Oh, babe, I'm missing you already. I wish I can go with you.
Come on, but I promised you. Don't worry. Once I get back, I'm going to take you on a trip with me to the Caribbean. And I'm going to spoil you silly. Anything you want, the city, blue, black, purple. Because you're my sugar pie.
I know, baby. I know you have the money. I know, and I can't wait.
My money is working. And it's for you, baby.
Money in water.
Hey. You know me.
All right, babe, let me keep this inside.
All right.
Okay.
Love you too.
I love you.
Come on, you look good.
Oh, my man is here.
Sir, your tire is down. Gladys, are you going to stand around spitting over the place all day? Won't you prepare something for us to eat?
But I already have something on fire cooking. And I've been checking to see if it's ready.
And by the way, why are you looking the way you do? Are you pregnant? Tell me, are you pregnant? Tell me, are you pregnant? I know you are not going to say anything. Oh yes, but I assure you, if you are pregnant, this house will be too small to contain both of us.
What's going on? I was about to ask you same thing. Are you pregnant? Have you seen your period? Because for the last 3 days you've been, eating a lot, perceiving all manner of scents, and even spitting so much. Collins is responsible, right?
Yes. I don't know how he's going to react.
What do you mean you don't know how he's going to react? Have you told him? Can I come with you to his house to tell him?
No. Thank you. I'll go to his house and see him later today. I'll send it to his hearing. Besides, it's the father of my child.
Of course.
I've not been seeing any other man beside him.
I'm sure he'll be happy. Come on, what's not to be happy about? The baby is always good news. When you tell him, it's going to gladden his heart. You have nothing to worry about, okay? It's okay.
You're a sweet girl. I told you from the onset, you don't have any problem.
I know.
And because I enjoyed you, I'm going to give you lots of cash.
on here? What is going on here? Collins.
Baby.
Who is this?
Baby.
And what do I call this?
Baby, who is this thing?
Also, Baby. Oh, I get it. Interesting. So, you've not been taking my calls because of this thing. I've called you. I've texted you, Collins. You did not... You want to know who I am?
Get out!
Me.
I said get out.
I'm not going anywhere. Collins, is she the reason you've not been taking my calls? You've been avoiding me. Okay, let me tell you. If you sleep and dump every girl, you will not dump me.
Gladys, get out of my house!
I should get out.
You have no right to be in this place, let alone barge into my bedroom. Get out of here! I will bundle you.
You bundle me. Okay, baby, calm down. My love, calm down. I am very sorry. I am coming. Oh! Am I the one you're talking to? Crush me down. Bring me down, boss.
Baby, please come back.
Gladys. Better think of how to take this pregnancy to the owner. You understand me? If you like, pretend you don't know what I'm talking about. Let me just warn you. I do not keep bastards in my house. I don't. So, better lift yourself up and carry yourself and this thing to whoever is responsible for it. Nonsense.
Oh God, where did I get it wrong? What have I gotten myself into? Collins, you said you loved me. You said you had deceived me with lots of flashy things. You're a wicked man, oh, you're a very wicked man. God will punish you. Collins, God will punish you. My God will keep punishing you. Just look at me. What do I do now? What do I do?
I ask again, what are you doing here?
Collins, I am pregnant. You're the father.
You're pregnant. For who? Oh, you want to rob me in your mess?
I'm lost. What are you trying to say? Have you not before living with me? Eh? Collins, are you not the one that told me that I am the sweetest girl in this world? Collins, didn't you tell me that I am everything you want in a woman? Please, don't just stress me.
Gladys, how is that bastard you're carrying there any of my business? Yeah. What do I have to do with your pregnancy or you being pregnant?
Child, are you trying to deny this pregnancy? Collins, you know this is your responsibility. You are the father of this child. There's no other man elsewhere. It's just you and I. Please, oh.
Oh. Now I get it. Huh? You want to use me as your poverty escape route, right? You are a liar.
I am not lying. I am not. If you don't want... Okay, just take care of the baby. That's all I want. That's all.
You're welcome. Listen real good. Go out there in the streets and look for whoever got you pregnant. This pregnancy is not mine.
You're a liar.
Let me tell you, it's a warning. Anytime I see you around this vicinity, I will deal with you.
Me?
I am not ready to father your bastard.
Collins, you're trying to deny my pregnancy. You're denying this child. What you did. Don't try me, Collins. This is unfair. Don't do it with me. Don't try it.
It's my mistake. When I was dealing with you, I thought I'm dealing with a big girl. It's appalling that as big as you are, you don't know what big girls like you do in this kind of situation.
I don't know.
Oh.
Please tell me. I don't know. Just tell me.
Why will I tell you? You are dumb. You are dumb. Why will I tell you? Oh, you want to hook me with this pregnancy? In your mind, you don't catch clients. It will not work. Go out there and you know who got you pregnant. It's not me. You are dumb. If you had sense, you will know that you cannot catch Collins with a pregnancy. You think you can just barge in here, tell me you're pregnant, generally with your wretched father, wretched family. If I see you here again, try me.
Baby, tell me you said you love me.
Who are you, baby? Are you mad? I will deal with you.
But you said you love me. What do I do with the pregnancy?
Gladys, I thought you had said, I'm telling you.
I don't have sense for you.
Go with your poverty stinking self.
So I also wanted to inform you that I'll be traveling very soon. But I'll be back before you know it.
My love, don't make me wait for too long.
No, I'm not going to keep you waiting. I'll come back before you know it. Okay?
I miss you.
I miss you too. I miss you too. Not to worry. Hello. Is everything all right with your sister?
Don't mind Gladys. She's just battling with a lot.
A lot? Is there something I should know about? Maybe I can be of help.
No, if she wanted to tell you, she should have told you. Forget about it. Listen, I want to start leaving before your supervisor will start lashing out on you. I don't like the way he talked to you the last time. So, let's go.
Are you sure your sister is fine?
Really?
Sorry.
You'll be fine, boy, no pimple. Your wallet is filled with dimples. I don't want this kind of love. Oh, na na na. You'll be fine, boy, no pimple. Your wallet is filled with dimples. I don't want this kind of love you they give. I no go chop your face. Come to see my body. I deserve another wood to come and make me a chalugo. Oh, no, come out my way. Avoid my way. No be fine, boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I go chop. Come out my way. Avoid my way. I no go allow you to come and scatter my palacio. Oh. I've been running from poverty, yeah. Now you want to make me suffer, God forbid. I need a man we good at spending money on me. Not the one we go call me honey. I want to cruise in Lambo. I want to fly to Orlando. Popping champagne and making toasts. Every day, everywhere go soft. No matter what you do, make your money. When you have the money, I go follow you. Come out my way. Avoid my way. No be fine, boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I go chop. Come out my way. Avoid my way. I no go allow you to come and scatter my palacio. Come out my way. Avoid my way. No be fine, boy, I go chop. No be fine face, I be fine face. Come out my way. Avoid my way. I no go allow you to come and scatter my palacio. Please go find money. Please go find money. When the money come, I go follow. Please go find money. Go and find money. When the money come, we go follow you. It's Refi.
Thank you very much. How are you? Happy to see you again.
This is fantabulous. Fred! How are your parents?
They're fine. How are you, sir?
Welcome.
Happy to see you again.
Wow, this is wonderful.
Oh my god, I've missed you.
I miss you too. How are
you? Oh my god, you look good.
Right?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm so happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too. I'm glad that your father is here. I just came to do something really briefly.
It's not important. Let's just go.
No, it's very important. Just hold on. Please. Would you just marry me?
Yes.
Let's continue from where we stopped.
Yes.
Give me a finger.
Yes.
Thank you. You like it?
Yes, I love it.
Great.
Papa, look at me. This is not beautiful.
Beautiful.
Let me get my ring. Oh my god, thank you. No, Papa, let's go in.
Go. Come with me. It's celebration time. When you get out of it.
I've been chasing shadows, no looking at you. Never knew you were the one for me. My lucky charm, my nightingale, you are the only one for me. I will never let you go. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I will love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I promise to love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me.
I hope the interior is as beautiful as the exterior because it's very expensive.
Yes, sir, you have nothing to worry about. Perfect.
And sometimes I feel like you agents, you make life very unbearable for us tenants. Okay? You forget that our employers don't care about us.
Exactly. I mean, salaries remain same. Why the cost of living keeps skyrocketing? Come on.
Madam, it is not only the house that is getting expensive in this country. The whole thing is crazily going high. It is not our fault.
Listen, that we're saying the same thing. Property owners should consider the common man on the streets.
Exactly.
Chairman, it is not our fault.
Whose fault is it? Mine?
No, I'm
The
not
government is killing the masses with high taxation. People can't afford to survive with their normal salaries. It doesn't make any sense.
Chairman, it is not really our fault. It is the country we find ourselves in. I just pray and hope that one day we'll find leaders that have the interests of the people at heart.
My friend, it starts with you.
Honey.
Start with reducing the rent.
Come on.
Do you understand? Come to think of it, the boys' quarters, who's there?
Nobody.
Kindly let me know before you take anybody's money.
No
I'd
problem.
like to know. Let's go inside.
Let's go.
What an interview section.
You see everything. It's still looking brand new. The furnishing is top notch. Here's the kitchen, and the room is upstairs.
Well, just give me a moment.
Take your time. No problem. Fine.
Everything looks good, but I still maintain that it's quite pricey. Please, give us a discount. Is that possible?
Sir, I don't think it's possible. I'm really sorry because the landlord have already fixed the price and there's nothing I can do about it.
Baby, come on. It's okay. Besides, I love it.
I know you love it. I know you love it.
All right, just text me the details. I'll do the transfer as soon as possible.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll do that right away.
Honey, you know I'm not moving in with you, right? I hope you're aware.
Why?
Seriously? You're asking me why like you really don't know why?
But I got this place so we can have our privacy, right?
I know, but it's still not right for me to just move in with you like that. Come on.
We're getting married, aren't we?
We're getting married, true. And, well, I'm just engaged, but we're not officially married.
Which one is officially married again, madam? How do you mean?
Really? So I'm now madam?
Yeah.
Oga, come on, do the right thing. Make me officially yours.
You know what? Let's just enjoy this moment, okay? Besides, we have a wedding to plan. Did I tell you?
You don't say. Thank you. Yes. I am super excited. Oh my God, let me just
I have something else to tell you about.
No, tell me, come on.
Toast.
Okay.
Toast.
Tell me.
Good life.
Okay.
More money.
Okay. Can you just tell me?
The new apartment. What else?
Honey, guess what?
What?
I just found the perfect wedding dress here. Isn't this beautiful?
Oh, this is really, really nice.
Yes. You know what? I'll just screen-munch it, forward it on WhatsApp to that lady I told you I wanted to get the gown from. Then we'll pick it up when it's ready.
This looks really nice and expensive.
No, I don't think it's expensive. I'll just munch it and send it to the lady. Then we'll know.
Babe, listen. Just let me handle this, okay? I'll order from the UK. Well, what's funny?
Nothing.
Listen, the UK brands, they are more sophisticated. You're going to like it.
Is that what you really want?
Just let me handle it. I promise to give you the best because you deserve the best.
Now I'm feeling shy. So you want a custom-made dress from the UK?
It's just simple. They have, the UK brands, they have better quality. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying the local brands are not good, but the UK brands have more sophisticated quality.
Well, I have no objections to that if that's what you really want.
Right, there you go.
But baby, don't forget, our wedding is really close. So you have to order right now and tell them to get it here early enough.
It's okay. I'll get that sorted. Trust me.
Okay. You know what? I'll just pop into the kitchen and make you some pineapple juice.
I'll be with you shortly. I'll just finish this and come over. Okay?
Okay, pineapple juice coming up.
Thank you. Tractors, excavators, bulldozers.
Gladys, please help me with our milk, please.
Get the ball tapugonu. You don't see for. Do I blame you? As in your errand girl up here? You will balance it that motor and be commanding Gladys. Gladys, you will come and get me our milk. You not get a digging milk company. No, you people have put this shop for me.
I left baby at home with his father. Please help me.
If you don't walk down from that to your carton car and come and pick what you want, you remain there. And when I forget, rubbish. Gladys, yes, you are commanding Gladys. You know your way to my shop. Since you know your way to pick the milk, why are you even disturbing my peace? Mother Bulokunuka. I have said.
What is this, Gladys? Is this what you feed your child with?
Is it not food? Other children that have been eating it, did they die? My daughter that has been eating it, has she died?
Gladys, you and I know that this is not good for Ogechi. Then why are you feeding her with it?
Because I am not as rich as you and your stingy husband. Don't come and disturb my peace. Please, take your milk, pay me and get out.
I've already sent you the money.
Yes. And you, let me even ask you, what have you done for this your niece you claim to love so much? What have you done for her?
You know what? I'm in no mood for this your nonsense today. Listen, I've sent you money to get her food. At least this should last you for 1 month. And make sure to do it. I am serious. Gladys, I am serious. Don't feed her with this.
You cannot come and
Gladys, I am
my
warning
shop.
you.
You cannot tell me what to do. My friend, get out of my shop.
Gladys,
enter your car.
I have
your car
sent
and
you
get
money.
out.
Make sure you buy her food.
I will not do that. You can't come
I'm
and tell
up,
me
and you're
what-
very lucky because I left baby at home with the father. Else I'd have given you a piece of my mind.
Take your piece and go. Take your piece and go in pieces. I don't need it. Otakwamaka. It's my daughter. I carried her in this stomach for 9 months. Nonsense. Beep. Rubbish. Therefore, I can take this out of my shop. How to do it? You want to lecture me? Am I thinking I become a mother before you? Ataranginu, because you happen to have a car to drive. Rubbish! Come back! If you come on again. Ochaka Omaka. Okukocha Maro Mani, what have you even done for me, your sister?
That day, I vowed to make you feel the pain of being a single mother in this country.
You are evil. And I'll make sure you suffer for everything. For shamefully rejecting him, yet you still have the nerve? Really?
Alice, I am sorry. I know what I did was wrong. But please forgive me for the sake of my daughter.
Gladys, you caused my family pain. I'm sorry, you're going to jail.
Yes. Like he rightly said, you will rot in jail for the rest of your life for what you've done to my husband and I.
Alice, I am sorry. Fred.
Exactly what I wanted to suggest. Her kind needs to be taken off the street.
Like this. Hey! I don't want to hold a band near enough. Look at you. No, look at your life.
Let's go to court.
Sure. Your time is up, please. Your time is up.
Alice, don't do this to
Your
me. I
time is
am
up,
sorry.
madam.
I am your only sister.
Stand up.
Your time is up.
Shut up, my
Your time is up, please.
Please, don't do this.
Hey!
Papa,
Papa,
Biko, no.
I think I passed in
Biko, I am sorry. No, don't let them take me.
Move.
I said move.
Stand up, please.
I don't want me, I don't want to go to me. Adi, Mama.
My son, you see, what I'm about to say now may not make sense to you. But this little girl here did not ask to be drawn into all this. Now that her mother, Gladys, has been sentenced to 21 years imprisonment. And of course, I'm not going to ask you to take Ogechi here in. But I want to beg of you, please, whatever you do, do not abandon this little girl. with an old man. Please.
Papa, I've heard you. But for the first time, I'm going to say no to you. What you're saying or asking me to do is totally unacceptable. Papa, I have decided to cut ties with anything that has to do with that Jezebel, including her daughter.
Honey, please don't say this. Come on, please.
Really? Are you expecting me to adopt her daughter? And take care of her child?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
All I'm saying is she can stay with Papa. You know, while I pay her fees out of my own pocket until she's done with secondary school. Please, just give me the permission to do that.
Listen, do as you please, but do not get me involved.
Don't worry.
I'm telling you the truth. Don't even try it. Pay her school fees. But the day you ask me for a kobo, that day, I'll show you my true color.
He's just a bit upset. But like I promised, I would pay her fees. But the thing is, just try not to bring her here. You know, seeing her will remind him of a lot of things. So he won't get upset, okay? If you need anything, just call me and I'll respond.
Thank you very much, my daughter. I shall enroll her in a government school for now.
Okay.
Until things get better. Yeah? Thank you very much.
Honey, I'm just happy and thankful that the temptation couldn't break us apart.
You're right. You're absolutely right. You see, the devil came in human form to kill everybody, to destroy us. But God turned the entire situation around. What would I have done without you?
I think it should be, what would we have done if God didn't come true for us?
I probably would have been a dead man by now.
No, babe. We would have been dead by now. Those guys were not joking. They were serious when they threatened to set both of us ablaze. Thank God for his mercies.
You know, sometimes the devil can come to you in human form. Your sister went too far. Who knows the type of demon that possessed her to make her do what she did?
Honey, I think what we should be thinking about is inviting family and friends for Thanksgiving on Sunday.
Yeah, you're right.
Because the devil came to steal, kill, and destroy. But God's mercy said no.
Yes. God's grace will always see us through.
Definitely.
Where's my son?
He's inside sleeping. Would you like to drink anything?
No, I'm
You
good.
sure?
I've been chasing shadows, not looking at you. Never knew you were the one for me. My lucky charm, my nightingale, you are the only one for me. I will never let you go. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I will love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I promise to love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me. In bad times, girl, you stood by me. You gave me strength. Now I have the strength to fly. You've always seen so much greatness in me. You made me believe that I can fly without wings. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I will love you forever. 'Cause you are the one for me. Girl, I promise to love you forever. I promise to love you forever.